Hey crafters, welcome back to another TeckWrap video. Today I'll be making this great strawberry themed Libby glass, perfect for all those iced coffees. And I'll be using the fabulous bubble-free mirror chrome vinyl. And I'm keen to see if it lives up to its bubble-free name. Layered decals are notorious for bubbles. Hi, I'm Sarah from Heart Designs and Crafts, and I love all things craft. I'm excited for this layered design. Looks like there might be a little bit of weeding involved though. We'll see. So grab all your supplies and let's get crafting. So the supplies we'll be using today is this beautiful bubble-free mirror vinyl from TeckWrap. So I'm putting the bubble-free part to the test today because I'm using a layered file. So we're going to layer this vinyl over the top of each other, and that is notorious for making bubbles. So we're going to see if that works and how that does well today. I've got some TeckWrap transfer tape, the mat, and you'll also need a Libby glass or a beer glass or whatever you call them. You can just grab one. This is the 16-ounce one. I know you can get a 20-ounce one, but we're going to be using this one today. So grab all your supplies and let's get crafting. So I uploaded this design and I got this one from Creative Fabrica, and I'm super excited to make this because it looks so fun. So if you do grab this one from Creative Fabrica or something like this, make sure you get the layered one, because if we just ungroup it, you'll see that this one has multiple layers. And if you get the ones that aren't layered, then it will all be as one piece and you'd have to cut it out as one color. But we're going to cut all these different colors from the lovely mirror vinyl, the bubble-free mirror vinyl. So I'm excited to see if the layering works and no bubbles come. It's just a matter of choosing what colors you would like your layers. So I'm going to use the red for the berries. I'm going to use the lime green for the tops. And then I'm going to use the pink purple for this one. And for the little bits in the end, I'm going to use the light gold. Excellent. Got all of my vinyls set to go. So there's not a lot more we need to do to that. If you wanted to change the colors, then you can just go up here and change them into different colors. I find it's easy. That way you know what color is going to be on your mat and you put the right vinyl in at the right time, because I've done that in the past. Doesn't work well. So with this SVG, all of these little pieces are separate. So I'm just going to go highlight all of them and weld them together. So they will cut as one piece like that. So I'll just do the same with all of them. There we go. So then let's go to make it. And now you'll see they'll cut as one piece. On each mat is all the same, and then we can layer them on top of each other and they will fit perfectly. Okay, so let's cut them out. Okay, so with the mirror vinyl, we are just going to use the holographic vinyl setting, and I'm just going to add more pressure. All right, so once it's ready to go on the mat, let's cut that out. Now they cut out quite nicely, so we'll just weed them. But one thing I just want to mention I do like about this vinyl is it has a clear plastic covering. Now it comes with that on it to protect the surface so that it doesn't scratch. So it is a good idea to remove it before you cut it out. You can leave it on there, but it does make it difficult to take off once it's all cut up. So take that off first, and that way your vinyl will be nice and ready to go. All right, let's weed these ones. This weeding pen is much better for the smaller little pieces. Well, that took a bit of time, getting all those little seeds out, but that's done. All right, let's do the rest. Wow, that design was a bit of a doozy. All right. Okay, so let's put this all together. All these designs have to be layered on top of each other. So we're going to start with the one that is going to be on the top. So we'll start with this one and we'll layer down through there. All right, let's hope this works. So we'll grab some transfer tape. Grab some parchment paper, put that over the top there, and we'll line these up. Lined up. We'll put this one on here. Okay. So they're pretty good. One off here. There we go. All right, next layer. Now the key to this last time was to line up the top ones and the rest fall in place. Okay, last layer. So far so good, no bubbles. This is a good way to peel off your backing paper if it doesn't seem to be coming off properly. Use your squidgy to just help peel it off while pushing down. There we go. All right. Let's get these strawberries on. Alright, so we're trying to line up our little strawberry tops with our with our strawberry bottoms. Line up the top ones, the top layer. All the other layers seem to be okay. It's a good idea to measure it before you take it off. See how it overlaps a little bit, this design. So I'm going to take off this strawberry, this rainbow, this strawberry and this rainbow, and that should work. So I think we might just cut them off. I'll leave that flower there. Improvising. It's the way of the crafter. There we go. That works. We have two strawberries next to each other, but that's perfectly fine. All right. Let's prepare our glass. So we'll just give our glass some rub down with some rubbing alcohol. That way it just cleans it and prepares it so that the vinyl will stick properly. So once that's dry, we're ready to pop our design on. Now this is where bubbles could potentially happen. So let's see how it goes. Might just use this until I get it lined up right. Give it a bit of a rub. It's looking pretty good. Doesn't look like I can see any bubbles. Oh, it's looking fabulous. Look. No bubbles at all. So good. Yep, I am super happy with how that turned out. There is no bubbles. The strawberries I thought might have had some bubbles underneath it, but no, they don't. How good does that look? Perfect for your summer coffee, even though it's freezing cold here right now. I love it. Well, I love how that turned out, and it definitely lived up to its bubble-free name. I didn't see any bubbles at all. It was amazing. And this vinyl goes on so smoothly. I just love it. It's one of my favorites. Hang on, I say that about all the vinyl. Anyway, I hope you had a great time crafting with me today. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.